Bonjour et bienvenue. Welcome to our French for Beginners, Lesson 2, Course 1. First, let's have a short review of what we've learned in Lesson 1. Repeat after me. Bonjour. Je m'appelle Clara. Comment t'appelles-tu? Enchantée. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Bonne nuit. Comment vas-tu? Je vais très bien. Et toi? Au revoir. À bientôt. Very good. We can now start Lesson 2. Manners, or la politesse. Our first word will be please. S'il te plaît. S'il te plaît. S'il te plaît. Or s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. What is the difference? Te stands for one person. Vous would be a group of minimum 2 people. Or, in some cases, to be polite, when you don't know the people, or if they are older than you. S'il vous plaît. Great. Our next word became quite international. Merci. Merci, which means thank you. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Let's have a look at this phonetic over here. E, A, and U sounds O. O. Beau. Remember this one? O and U sounds OU. OU. Cou. Great. How do you get to answer to this? By simply saying de rien. De rien. De rien. Which means you're welcome. But literally in French, this means of nothing. De rien. Alright, let's now see few terms to apologize. First one, pardon. Pardon. Pardon, which means sorry. Our second term will be je suis désolé. Je suis désolé. Je suis désolé. I'm sorry. We tend to use this one while feeling a little guilty. Je suis désolé. Our third term is excuse-moi. 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 Or excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi, which means excuse me or sorry. Same as earlier, the rule is simple. Excuse would stand for one person. Excusez-moi would stand for several people or to be polite. Let's follow with our fourth term, navré. Navré, which means I'm sorry, mostly in sad situations. Navré. Very good. Let's go to our last term, mes excuses. Mes excuses. Mes excuses. which means my apologies. Alright, time to review them one by one with more details. Pardon, used when apologizing for small things, such as bumping into someone. A second term, je suis désolé, used when you feel guilty. Je suis désolé. Excuse-moi or excusez-moi, used when getting someone's attention, a cashier, a waiter, or sometimes used when interrupting someone. Excuse-moi. Let's go with our fourth term, navré, a solid I'm sorry that can be interchangeable with pardon. Navré. Very good. We are reaching the end. Mes excuses is also a solid I'm sorry that can also be interchangeable with pardon. Mes excuses. Great! Time for some exercises or exercice. You are walking in a store and accidentally nudge someone as you pass by. You say pardon or excusez-moi. Very good. Exercice 2. You are sitting in a restaurant and want some more water, and you need to call over the waiter. You say excusez-moi. Is that what you thought about? Yes? Great. Let's go with that third exercise. Exercice 3. You are hungry and you eat your roommate's last homemade cookie, not knowing that she was saving it. You say rien, nothing. Just kidding. Je suis désolé. Feeling of guilt. Je suis désolé. Alright, let's learn few vocabulary words. First one, café. Café, which means coffee. Our second one, eau. Eau, which means water. Let's go to the next one. Bière. Bière. Sounds quite close to beer. Bière. Very good. Let's see how can we ask a favor. Puis-je avoir? Puis-je avoir? Puis-je avoir? Can you bring me? Literally, in French, this means may I have? Puis-je avoir? All good. Let's now have a short review of everything we've learned today. Ready? S'il te plaît. S'il vous plaît. Merci. S'il te plaît. S'il vous plaît. Merci beaucoup. De rien. Pardon. Je suis désolé. Excuse-moi. Excusez-moi. Navré. Mes excuses. Café. Eau. Bière. Puis-je avoir? Bravo! Congratulations, you've done a great job today. If you still do feel like you need some more practice, please feel free to rewind. Au revoir et à bientôt.